To download the F75 keyboard software, start by going to Google and searching for EpoMaker, the manufacturer's website. Once on the website, click on the search button at the top right corner and type in F75 in the search box. Select the product that matches your search, which should be listed as EpoMaker Acts All of F75. Click on this product, and then scroll down to the bottom of the page until you see the Downloads section. Click on the first download option, which is the EpoMaker Acts All of F75 software. Note that this software only supports Windows systems. Clicking on this link will take you to a new site, where you'll see a software download button. Click on this button to automatically download the software to your computer. The downloaded file will be a zip file, which you'll need to extract by right-clicking on it and selecting Extract All. This will give you a clean folder that you can open, containing the setup file. Double-click on the setup file, select your preferred language, and then follow the prompts to install the software. Clicking Next, and eventually Install to complete the installation. Once installed, you can start using the software.